Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a very brief video, HRD 631. And really in this video, I'm going to just talk about a couple of aspects of the learning reflection paper, which is due soon. Now, before I go any further, I want to mention to everybody, and I'll put this into text, that the original due date was March 9th. I've pushed that out to March 11th because I wanted to get this video done and published on Tuesday or Wednesday or this week, but well, life happened and I am just getting to it now, so I'm pushing the assignment out. So LRP is a learning reflection paper. For those that have not written a reflection paper because you're new to the program or you just forget how to write one of those, I'll give you a brief overview. First of all, I'd like you to take a look at the syllabus. And in there, you go in, and I'm not sure, it says page 7 out of 24. There's all kinds of information and specifics on this particular paper. One paper at least 3 to 4 pages long, double-spaced. Students or participants examine their learning during really these first 7 weeks of the course. And you can take a look at each one of these, specifics in here. And like I said, it covers weeks number 1 through 7. And, part of the reason I pushed it out was I wanted people to complete week number 7, which ends on Sunday, and then you have a couple more days. So please take a look at this. There's a scoring rubrics in here. What is a strong A? What's an adequate B? What is a weak C? I can tell you I look at this and I use the rubrics quite a bit. So to give you an example, appropriate references and APA with appropriate citations. So if you're using APA formatting, which I really encourage everybody to use, and you have put in, to me, just some quotes, some references to, it could be a reference to something that I put in a PowerPoint. It could be a reference to a student. Always cite that. That's a good practice to get into. So once again, you can take a look at, okay, nobody even really used any kind of references or citations in the text, and therefore they would, you can earn 5 for this. The way I look at it is this is going to be 5, this is going to be 3, this is going to be 1. So this is meant to be a reflection paper. It's not a research paper, it's a reflection paper. Along that lines, I wanted to point out a couple other things. Let me switch pages. I did add, and I'll show you where it is located. I did add, you come over here, and it's going to be in a different location. I'm just going down. I think I put it, let me see where I put that. Sorry for being confusing in here. Where did I put that? Okay, I found it. So right here, LRP exemplar. Click on that. We did not have an exemplar on this assignment. You come in here, and as usual, you can click on that and it will open. Now, unfortunately, it took me to another page, but you clicked on it twice. So this is something that Crystal Davidson gave me permission to use. This was done in March, and I think I put it in here because it truly is a great example of what I'm looking for. First of all, a good cover page. Second of all, some definitions, some citations coming through it. And then the references. And these references are done in APA formatting. This is, called a hanging indent. If you do not know how to do that, please look it up. You can go to Purdue OWL. It's a very simple thing to do. It's just a formatting issue. And Crystal had, to me, 4 references in here. So that's where the exemplar is listed. And while I have everybody here, I'm going to just go to the assignment page. Now I am in the assignment page, and I just want to show you that I've officially changed the date. LRP, it's due on March 11th and not March 9th. If you click on that, really all it is, I'm going to go to Edit Assignment just because I want to show you what's here. So LRP assignment, please see the syllabus and the video which you're watching right now for detailed instructions on the assignment. And I also put the rubrics in here just so it's handy. So this information is also included in the syllabus, but once again, I wanted to add it in here. So let me get out of here. And please let me know if you have any questions on this assignment. The big thing is for you to reflect on the materials and then write kind of how it has impacted you. And you don't have to go week by week. You can just pick 2 or 3 of the points. It could be transformative learning. It could be, something that was discussed in week number 3 about people participating, who participates and why. It could be andragogy, self-directed learning, etc. Whatever kind of hits you. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have a good time reflecting on this assignment. And once again, new date is March 11th. See you, everybody.